Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject General Science. Our today's topic is heredity and genetics. This is the fourth chapter of biology. First, we will discuss about heredity. As you know that heredity is the transmission of characters or traits from parents to the offspring, from one generation to the next generation. First of all, we must know what is a character or a trait. A recognizable feature of a human being, recognizable feature of a human being like height, skin color, or complexion, shape of hair, color of eyes, and shape of nose, chin. These features they are called characters or traits. These are called characters or traits. So no, you see traits or characters are recognizable feature of a human being. These are the recognizable features of an human being or any other organism. The transmission of characters from the parent to the offspring, this is called heredity. In most simple terms, we can say that heredity means continuity of features from one generation to the next generation. Continuity, that means you see features they remain continue. They get passed from one generation to the next generation of a family. We know that in sexual reproduction, two parents, a male and female, they are involved. These sexually reproducing organism, they produce sex cells or gametes. In sexual reproduction in this case two parents, a male and a female parent, they are involved. These sexually reproducing organism, they produce gametes or sex cells. The male gamete, that's called sperm, it fuses with the female gamete, that's called ovum or egg, to form zygote. During sexual reproduction, male partner it gives a sperm, and a female partner it gives an ovum or egg. When they combine these two, sperm and egg, they fuse together, and form a zygote. This zygote it gradually develops into a young one or offspring. You see, offspring which is formed, it shows some similarities with the parent. Similarities features, it resembles with its parents. Actually, heredity information is present in the sex cells of the parents. Agar you see heredity information present in the sex cells or in the gametes of the parents. Thus, gametes they constitute the link between the generation, one next generation, and to the next generation. Gametes it is the gametes which make the link between one generation and the next generation. You see heredity heredity has link between the next generation and gametes. It constitutes the link between one generation and the next generation. Heredity, you see unit, it is information, it is stored in the gametes, and it is then passed on and pass on the parental and maternal characters or traits to the offspring. But gamete through pass on characters, parental or maternal characters to the offspring. This relation that continues to exist between the successive generation, relation continues between successive generation दरमियान features, this is called heredity. This is called heredity. मिसाल के तौर पर अस वुच युस ये offspring छ, it inherit the features or characters or traits of the parents and resemble them with very closely. मगर ये close resemblance हसा छ always or complete in all respects कहीं या in other words you see offspring it is and never true copy of the parents, never true copy of the parent.